Application of disinfectants and sanitizers by wiping or manually spraying complex objects often leaves mist spots where harmful pathogens can remain intact. Using electrostatic spray technology, it is now possible to apply a positive charge to the liquid disinfectant particle so that it is attracted to oppositely charged objects. The result is highly uniform coverage of just about any object with little or no overspray. Using the Victory Electrostatic Sprayer, multi-clean brand disinfectants and sanitizers can be rapidly applied to large surface areas with uniform coverage. Follow these simple steps for proper use of the sprayer. Fill the spray tank with a properly diluted solution. Apply a secondary label to the cartridge to comply with OSHA regulations. Connect the filled tank to the sprayer, making sure that both sides of the tank are engaged. Make sure the electrostatic button is in the on position and the battery is charged. The sprayer has 3 installed spray tips that can be easily switched by turning the dial to match the arrow to the desired tip. In most cases, the 80-micron tip is best. Put on the proper PPE, including eye protection, gloves, and a dust mist mask. Any uncovered food or drink should be removed from the area. When you are ready to start, keep in mind that you should be continuously moving the sprayer to avoid runs or drips. Start spraying from top to bottom, slowly moving the sprayer back and forth in an S pattern. Continue until all the surfaces to be disinfected are covered. The Victory Electrostatic Spray has been tested and validated for use with these multi-clean products. Possible uses are endless. Healthcare institutions can use it for terminal cleaning of patient rooms or disinfecting surfaces of equipment such as wheelchairs. Schools could use it to disinfect classrooms, restrooms, locker rooms, fitness equipment, buses, and more. Food processing and restaurants can use it for the application of a food service sanitizer to equipment and prep services. Odor counteractants can be sprayed to kill odors in dumpsters, trash chutes, restrooms, and inside vehicles. MultiClean offers the Victory Electrostatic Sprayer for use with MultiClean brand disinfecting, sanitizing, and cleaning products. It is available only through MultiClean authorized distributors. Visit our website to learn more.